Lift two FFC clips to unlock. The FFC cables can be disconnected from the display. One screw on each side. Tilt one side to take out the display from the sliding track. Usually, there is a map SD card in the CD player. It need to be took out, otherwise, it may be damaged by dismantling. Remove 3 panel screws. Unclip sides. Remove the screw behind the trim. Open from the side. Gently tilt it up a little bit. There are 3 clips at the bottom as well. Two clips over here. There is a small FFC between display and CD player. Push the display metal tray in for removing the plastic panel. Lift up the clip to unlock it. This metal plate needs to be removed. The small FFC can be removed by lifting the clip. Don't forget to connect it back after. Later, the original FFC needs to be curved down through here. Those metal clips will block the way. We need to bend them or trim off. Push it all the way in closely if you bend it. Put a type on the sharp edge for protection, in case it damages the FFC. Checking again to make sure there is no metal will touch the FFC. Stick a double-sided stick over here. FFCs need to be inserted into the slot, because the metal tray will indent into the slot. And touching and pushing FFCs. FFCs can be bent in. Bend them like this. Double-sided the board. It has ears on both sides of FFC. Don't worry about them. Just insert the FFC to the board as deep as you can. The black clip needs to be lifted up to unlock. Allow inserting the FFC into the port. Lock it down after inserting the FFC. Make sure FFCs are even when inserting to the port. Double check all FFCs are in position correctly. White FFCs need to be put into the slot as well. Put some sticky tapes to secure FFCs from movement. More tapes if needed. Cushion first. Then position them, running them straight and even, and run to the board. Gently install them with patience. Don't rush. Put them in as deep as you can. Let's put everything back. Check again the metal tray. Make sure it won't push FFCs. Push the tray in to check if any problem. It's nice and safe now. Check more times. Use good quality tapes for long-term use. Put the metal plate back on. Line up it correctly. Put all screws back. Check the FFCs and the metal tray again. Don't use any sharp tools to push them. Must be wide and flat tools to push. Sharp tools are easily to damage FFCs. Due to white FFCs are longer than the original ones, so we need to bend them to make them have the same length as original ones. Like this. Make the length reaching the top. We can put extra tapes to secure FFCs from movement. Make the blue terminal reach to CD port for checking the length. Relocate FFCs if see any visible issues. FFCs can be bent to meet the length requirement. Now let's put the plastic panel back.